Sacramento hit a one-day COVID-19 record with 154 new cases in just 24 hours. The county is one of 15 on the state's watch list now. And tonight, county health officials are keeping a close eye on several hot spots that have popped up.
One of them is Rancho Cordova. There you see CBS 13's Valina Jones live there tonight with what's being done, Valina.
Yeah, the county tells me they're working on visiting these so-called hotspots and working on educating people about the risk of coronavirus by physically coming to these areas and working with community partners to spread their message.
I would say we're more concerned, but we should be cautious with what's going on.
Firehouse Crawfish in Rancho Cordova just reopened 2 weeks ago, allowing customers to dine in. And now they're trying to navigate business in one of the county's hot spots.
It's not something that we can always control, but we can prevent it by just wearing the mask.
The city has 156 cases of coronavirus. It's one of 5 areas in the county that have 75 or more cases, causing at least 4 employees not to return to work.
We have certain staff that feel like it's unsafe to be at work, so they do end up staying at home.
The increase is causing some to consider spending more time at home.
I have a lot of friends that are my age and older, and you know, they're terrified.
While others are glad to be back outside.
And I'm skeptical, and I'm not saying it's not real. I'm just curious as to, are they blowing up these numbers because they're testing more?
Jana Hayes at the county says these hotspots, shaded in dark, are seeing higher numbers because of care facilities, more testing, and indoor family gatherings. In an effort to reduce numbers, they are focusing on education.
We can see the trends. We try to react to the trends through testing, through outreach, and figure out what we need to do so that particular neighborhoods don't suffer the consequences more than the rest of the county.
The county is urging people to stop participating in large gatherings, as some residents are trying to regain a sense of normalcy.
Cases are still rising, but I feel like people, they're just restless and they're not as concerned about it as they once were.
I'm not going to stop my life. I'm not going to live my life in fear.
Now, if you want to know if you live in a hot zone, you can visit our website, cbs13.com, where we have a link to the county's information on all you need to know about coronavirus in your neighborhood.